This is the KC7 Cable Card, a multifunctional, multi-purpose digital kit for your mobile devices. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Designed by a local Singapore company, the KC7 Cable Card isn't exactly new tech, nor is it particularly revolutionary. But since I only found out about this a couple of months ago, well, it's new to me. A real quick disclaimer, like all my past videos, this is not a sponsored product nor video. Alright, let's jump right in. In a nutshell, it is a 7-in-1 accessory for your cell phone or tablet, packed neatly and logically into this credit card size package. As you can see here, it is pretty much the same size as my 2TB SanDisk portable SSD, with dimensions of 86mm in length, 55mm in width, and 8.6mm in thickness. And it's so light and slim that it can fit anywhere. Throw it into your backpack or slip it into your jeans, you will barely notice it with the rest of your EDC. It weighs only 50 grams or 1.76 ounces, which according to my exhaustive online research is about the same as 42 potato chips. Let's take a closer look. Inside, you get a USB-C to USB-C cable, Apple Lightning adapter, micro USB adapter, USB-A adapter, and a SIM ejector pin tool. All three adapters have a USB-C insert, which means they can go onto either ends of the cable and will allow you to pair all your devices from power banks, cell phones or tablets, and laptops. On the holder itself, where the logo is, there is a wireless charging dock, as well as a flip-out stand to prop your devices up while charging, or to simply use for watching videos, such as my outdoor adventures on my YouTube channel. Also on the inside, an LED light with two brightness modes. As a flashlight, it is not effective, but as an ambient light, why not? Now, in order to power up the wireless charging dock or LED lights, you will need to connect one end of the USB-C cable to the KC7 and the other end to a power source, such as a portable power bank. There are also two slots inside the KC7 for nano SIMs, a safe storage space especially if you travel frequently and need to swap SIM cards. I used to pop open my cell phone casing and keep the SIM cards with my emergency cache, but storing it in the KC7 is definitely a safer way. Also, there is a micro SD card reader in the KC7, which allows you to basically use this as an external storage when connected to your phone or computer. If you've got the bank, slide in a 1TB micro SD card and you'll instantly have a very potent and portable external storage. Now, according to the official website, which I will link in the description, the USB-C ends of the cable are the 5-pin variant, which means it is suitable as a charging cable for high-powered devices such as a laptop. The cable itself, however, only measures 11 inches in length, which, frankly speaking, will probably be too short for use to charge a laptop. But in a situation where you forget your regular charging cable, well, beggars can't be choosers. At the moment, I've not had the chance to properly use this to share with you guys what I think about it. But first impressions, it looks to be really well thought out, really well designed, and really well built. I do, however, wish it were an SD card reader instead of a micro SD, as that will allow for a wider range of storage options. Micro SD cards can still be used anyway because many come with these little adapters. Also, getting to the USB-A adapter near where the hinge is at does seem to require a fair bit of fiddling. Having said that, I don't think that would be deal breakers for most people. What might be a deal breaker would be the cost, because this cost me 50 Singapore dollars, making it the most expensive set of cables that I own. For that price, you could easily buy, 10, 12, 15 regular cables from an online store, and have some spare change for 42 potato chips. But it does look really cool and really slick. And because I do bring with me a whole bunch of cables when I'm out, having one of these in the back pocket or at the bottom of your backpack, one of those dump inside and forget about it kind of spares, why not? Do consider subscribing to the channel and to follow me on Instagram because I will be taking this with me as my EDC and will share with you guys what I think about it a few months from now. That's it for this first look video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you want to check out some of my other EDC gear and equipment, check out the playlist here. And if you want to join me on some of my outdoor adventures, the playlist's here. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.